Today we're previewing the Minecraft Party Series, Make Minecraft Costumes for anyone who wants to throw a Minecraft birthday party or make their kid a costume for a gift or any old day. This book shares all different costumes: Paper Bag Steve, the sword, Creeper t-shirt, Ender Dragon headband. Everything uses cardboard paper and objects you may have around the house. TNT hat, make a bat costume, Alex mask, pickaxe, the ghast, pig costume, and extra tips for making your tools sturdy by tying a stick to them. This is great for Halloween, birthdays, or any day of the year you want a fun craft. Go to my playlist or search my videos for the rest of the books in this series: Minecraft costumes, decorations, food, and games. Like, share, and subscribe to Lauren Martin Books for more read-along stories, and visit laurenmartinbooks.com for free learning principles and activities you can use today. Thank you for reading with me.